Master the TOEFL. Dive into the official guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve deep into one of the most recommended resources for your TOEFL preparation, the official guide to the TOEFL test. This guide is a treasure trove of practice materials, strategies, and insights directly from the makers of the test. Let's see how you can harness its power to enhance your preparation. The TOEFL is an intricate test, and understanding its nuances is crucial. The official guide to the TOEFL test. 1. Offers authentic questions from past tests. 2. Provides a comprehensive understanding of the TOEFL format. 3. Ensures you get insights directly from the test makers, meaning there's no better place to understand the TOEFL's core. Dive into the depths of this guide and you'll discover 1. 4 full-length practice tests with answer explanations. 2. Detailed breakdowns of each section: reading, listening, speaking, and writing. 3. Tips and strategies to tackle every type of question. 4. Sample essays and responses to help you grasp what the test makers are looking for. It's not just about having the right resources, but using them wisely. Here's how. 1. Start by familiarizing yourself with the test format. 2. Take a diagnostic test to gauge your strengths and weaknesses. 3. Work on your weak areas with dedicated practice. 4. Always review the answer explanations, even for the questions you got right. This solidifies understanding and strategy. 5. Simulate real test conditions when taking the practice tests to build stamina and reduce test day anxiety. The official guide to the TOEFL test is an indispensable resource in your TOEFL preparation journey. Use it effectively, and you'll find yourself more equipped and confident to tackle the real thing. Remember, preparation is the key. Happy studying, and may you achieve the scores you're aiming for.